Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and I'm going to talk about Researched Nutritionals ATP Fuel, which is excellent, complete mitochondrial support that often helps with chronic fatigue and low energy and difficult to solve health issues. ATP is Adenosine Triphosphate, which is the energy that is created in the mitochondria of the cell from food, and it is involved in the Krebs Cycle. ATP Fuel contains NT Factor Energy, which is a collection of supplements that helps repair mitochondrial damage that, if isn't repaired, can make it so it's very difficult for the body to heal, and where further damage to the mitochondria can happen. NADH is something that's in ATP Fuel and is essential for converting food into energy. It also has CoQ10, which is essential for regulating the immune system, helping the body create energy, and reducing oxidative stress. Research has also shown that CoQ10 supports heart health and cognitive and neural health. I've had the excellent opportunity of being able to work clinically with ATP Fuel with many people, and I find it to be very helpful in difficult cases, especially around low energy and chronic fatigue and autoimmune issues, and where people have tried lots of things but they haven't figured out how to shift their health. And it's because the ATP Fuel is so helpful in supporting the body to convert food into cellular energy and cellular repair. And if you'd like to know if ATP Fuel is something for you, I recommend using our hair tissue mineral analysis, which gives us an indication into how well your body is utilizing food, both through the mineral ratios, where it can give us an indication of how you're digesting your proteins and carbohydrates, as well as how your mineral levels are doing. And I see the use of ATP Fuel shift low mineral levels over and over again. So please reach out to us at Optimal Health Network if you are interested in learning more about ATP Fuel, or if you'd like to try it yourself. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.